Hello, good afternoon. Now this aircon is in MB, my customer. The problem is neutral have current and also indoor sensor coil also not working. So now it's very cool. Okay, outdoor here. Now it's very cool because the capacitor we already changed, and then the fan capacitor also we changed. Here is the capacitor, fan capacitor, and then this is the compressor capacitor. So we already checked, and the sensor coil also we checked. But another one problem is the MCB is only 6 ampere. So normally it's supposed to be the MCB maybe 16 ampere. Currently we use is the old one. It's no problem. If better change the MCB, I recommend them to change the MCB, but they don't want, so it's okay. So we done. We already repaired the aircon indoor outdoor. Okay, thank you.